Hello everyone, Welsh21 here and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to dynamically zoom into an area on a video in Davinci Resolve. So in this video here, which will be releasing quite soon, in fact before this video will be going up, I want to dynamically zoom into this top area at the left here. So what you want to do is in the edit tab here, you can also do it in the cut tab, but obviously we are editing a video, so you want to be in the edit tab at the bottom. We want to go up to the top right, hit inspector, and then that will make the video move to the left a bit here. And under the video we've got the transform tab area, so all this here is to transform a video. And to the right of the zoom and the position, because I want to specifically zoom into an area over there, we want to hit the diamonds. If you want to zoom just straight in the center, you don't need to mess with the position, so we just want to hit the diamond on there. And because I want to go into a certain area, I'm also going to hit the diamond on the position tab. So that is now left a point here. You can't see it just yet unless you click this line here and scroll down. You can see there's now a position marker there. But let's just scroll back up. We're going to hit play on the video a little bit here. I've muted it, and then hit stop where we want it to zoom in. So at this point now we want to mess with these numbers and position it into an area. So I'm just going to zoom in, going to move it over a little bit, going to zoom in a little bit more there and move it over. So this is basically what you do. You just drag these around to zoom in, and there we are. We're now zoomed in on this area here, basically saying we're going to hit YouTube Studio. So we hit play again. Then I'll play a bit more, and then there is just stopping. And I recommend to hit it a second time. So we're not going to mess around with these. We're just going to hit tab, tab. So now that's left another point. I'll show you those points in a second. Hit play for a little bit longer and then stop. And then we want to reset this. So the zoom is always at 1. To full screen is 1 and 1. And the position for to be central is 0 and 0. So if I click there again, hit 0 and click out of it. Now we're at full screen, dead center where we should be. And we hit play. So if we go back beforehand, we hit play, we'll see this now dynamically zoom in nice and smoothly. Davinci does all this automatically. We hit YouTube Studio, because we hit that second tab, it's paused. Now it will zoom back out to where we want it. And that is how you dynamically zoom in to an area in Davinci Resolve, very simply and easily. And like I said to you, if you hit this wiggly line bit at the bottom and scroll down, you can see your position markers. This is what all these little diamonds will add in, and that's how your position is there. So if you want to see it, you could even move it around a little bit, but I recommend not doing that personally. And so that's it. So if this video is helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if there's any other thing that you want to see me do in Davinci Resolve, or any other videos for that matter. Also, thank you all to my PayPal and Patreon supporters. Their names will be at the top right of the video right now. And yeah, so thank you all for watching, and ciao for now everyone.